Nganja na njiriri no ciithiite na mbere guthirurukiria thirikari mbere ikinyaniirie itua ria kana ni kuongerera aruti a wira mishara na gicunje gia 15 harĩ 100 toria makoretwo magithingiriria minister wa aruti wa wira wa thirikari Ukur Yatan akiuga undu uyu ni urabatara kumurikwo keri.
The industrialists, the employers, they are also not only providing services and delivering development, but they also want to make profit. If we eat on their profit, if they are going to make losses, then they are going to pass that cost to the worker by laying them off, by cutting down on certain expenditures, which will have really made contribution to the economy.
Akiaria keheri-inĩ na andiki a mohoro hindi ya kigomano na atongoria ruhonge-inĩ rwa aruti a wira, Yatan augite ni kurabatarania ihinda riganu ria kwarĩrĩria mitaratara miandandũku hamwe na anyiti itemi ruhonge-inĩ rũrũ na niguo gukinyaniria uigithanio wa hamwe.
The workers are there, the employers are there. They sit down with the government and they look at the state of the economy by analyzing, the trends, the inflation rate, the growth of the economy, and see if there's going to be an increment or if we are going to jump this year and handle next year.
And I would appeal to workers to continue working and redouble their efforts in their various places of work as we continue negotiating. Definitely we will come out with something, that one I know.
Maundu mangi augite marabatara kunyorothwo ni hamwe na kumba njira kiumbe ya gutithanagia ndũgamano cia aruti a wira hatari kuhuthira njira cia magoti kana mirurungano.
We want to institutionalize the mechanism of the alternative dispute resolution so that matters are not necessarily rushed to the employment and industrial court, so that the ministry can sit and try to reason with the parties.
Mwaka muthiru thirikari ni riga kuongerera aruti a wira mishara na gicunje gia 5 harĩ 100, aingi makionania kwaga kuiganira kwao magitetia uritu wa kuhaica kwa garama ya muturire. Kameme Wonjoria, Rĩakono wa Ithaka wa Kinyua.